सबसे what do you understand by doctrine of basic structure? Discuss its evolution and significance in strengthening democracy. Doctrine of basic structure. Doctrine of basic structure is a judicial principle that limit the power of parliament to amend the constitution, ensuring that certain fundamental features such as sovereignty, democracy, secularism, federalism, and rule of law remain untouched. It acts as a constitutional safeguard to prevent the erosion of constitutional court's value. इवोल्यूशन देखा जाए तो देखो, शंकरी प्रसाद केस 1951, सुप्रीम कोर्ट अपहेल्ड पार्लियामेंट अथॉरिटी टू अमेंड एनी पार्ट ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इंक्लूडिंग फंडामेंटल राइट. गोलकनाथ केस 1967, the court ruled that parliament could not amend fundamental rights. Keswanand Bharti case 1973, the Supreme Court established the doctrine of basic structure, holding that parliament cannot amend the basic structure of constitution. Amend as much as you want, but do not touch the foundation. Supreme Court of India. फिर है इंदिरा गांधी वर्सेस राज नारायण केस 1975. The doctrine was reaffirmed, striking down 39 amendment that sought to make prime minister election beyond judicial review. Minerva Mill case 1980. The court ruled that limiting amending power is part of basic structure. ठीक है, सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है? प्रिजर्व करना है. सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है? प्रिजर्व्स डेमोक्रेसी, प्रिवेंट पार्लियामेंट फ्रॉम imposing authoritarian rule by preserving democratic values. जैसे democracy rests on the pillar of justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. None can be dismantled. Preserve democracy, prevent parliament from imposing authoritarian rule by preserving democratic values. Democracy rests on pillars of justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. None can be dismantled. Supreme Court. Judicial safeguard. Provide the judiciary with the power to review and strike down amendment that threaten constitutional core. Maintain constitutional balance. Ensure that the balance of power between legislative, executive and judiciary remained intact. Protect fundamental rights. Preventing parliament from curbing fundamental rights under the guise of constitutional amendment. The constitution is not an instrument for government to retain the people. It is an instrument for people to restrain the government. अच्छा, पैड्रिक हेनरी कह रहे हैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज़ नॉट एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट फॉर द गवर्नमेंट to restrain the people. Constitution is not an instrument for government to restrain the people. It is an instrument for the people to restrain the government. Patrick Henry. Conclusion. Doctrine of basic structure acts as a soul of Indian constitution, ensuring that fundamental principles remains immune to political pressure and temporary majorities. It strengthens democracy by preventing arbitrary constitutional amendment and upheld the supremacy of constitution over political interest. With the basic difference between constitution and constitutionalism, critically discuss the doctrine of basic structure as enumerated by Supreme Court of India. Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document. It is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is always a spirit of age. Constitution is not merely a lawyer's document. It is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is always a spirit of age. Dr. Ambedkar. Introduction. Constitution is the supreme legal document that defines the framework of governance, where constitutionalism is the principle that limits. Constitution is the supreme legal document that defines the framework of governance, whereas constitutionalism is the principle that limits government power through law, ensuring democracy, rule of law, and protection of rights. Difference between constitution and constitutionalism. The two concepts are interdependent in shaping a just and accountable governance. सबसे पहले constitution और constitutionalism. नेचर क्या है? constitution a written legal document. ये a principle और philosophy. फंक्शन क्या है? डिफाइंस गवर्नमेंट स्ट्रक्चर एंड पावर, लिमिट गवर्नमेंट्स पावर टू प्रिवेंट अब्यूज़. फोकस क्या है? इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड लॉ. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में क्या है? राइट, डेमोक्रेसी, रूल ऑफ लॉ. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का फोकस है इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड लॉ. देखो नेचर है अ रिटन लीगल डॉक्यूमेंट, अ प्रिंसिपल और अ फिलोसफी। फंक्शन क्या है? डिफाइंस गवर्नमेंट स्ट्रक्चर एंड पावर। लिमिट गवर्नमेंट पावर टू प्रिवेंट ओब्यूज। फोकस है इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड लॉ। राइट डेमोक्रेसी वैल्यू रूल ऑफ लॉ। एप्लीकेबिलिटी एग्जिस्ट इन ऑल स्टेट इंक्लूडिंग डिक्टेटरशिप। एग्जिस्ट ओनली इन डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नेंस। एग्जाम्पल है इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर, जुडिशियल रिव्यू। ठीक है। ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन विदाउट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनलिज्म इज मेयर अ डॉक्यूमेंट lacking real enforcement. Constitutionalism without a constitution lacks a concrete legal foundation. मतलब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लीगल फाउंडेशन प्रोवाइड करा रहा है, जबकि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनलिज्म ये डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं होगा तो रियल इन्फोर्समेंट नहीं हो पाएगा. Over time, Constitution evolved through amendments and judicial interpretation. Constitutionalism ensured that such changes align with democratic principles, rule of law, and protection of fundamental rights. Principles of Constitutionalism: separation of power, responsible and accountable government, popular sovereignty and rule of law, independent judiciary, individual rights, civilian control of military, police accountability. India's constitutional framework embodied the ideal of justice, liberty, equality, fraternity as outlined by preamble. The principles of constitution are reflected in various aspects. Article 13 declares that law violating fundamental rights are void. Article 14 enshrines the rule of law, ensuring equality before law and equal protection of law. Article 32 grants the right to constitutional remedies, allowing individual to seek enforcement of fundamental right through Supreme Court. ठीक है, 13 हो गया. Article 5 directs the separation of judiciary from executive in reinforcing checks and balances. Article 368 provide the amendment procedure, ensuring the constitution remain adaptable while preserving the core values. Role, ठीक है, रोल ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट एंड अब देखो इंडिया कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल फ्रेमवर्क embody the idea of justice, liberty, equality, fraternity as outlined by ये. The principle of constitution are reflected in various, देखो आर्टिकल 13, 14, 15 कह रहा है राइट ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रेमेडीज़ ये और 368. ठीक है. Role of Supreme Court in upholding Constitution. Supreme Court of India has played a crucial role in interpreting and reinforcing constitutionalism through landmark judgment. जैसे केशवानंद भारती केस वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ केरला 1973 established the basic structure doctrine preventing amendment that altered the constitutional फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल. माने मिनर्वा मेनका गांधी वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया 1978 एक्सपेंडेड द इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ आर्टिकल 21 एम्फेसाइजिंग ड्यू प्रोसेस ऑफ लॉ इन मैटर ऑफ लाइफ एंड पर्सनल लिबर्टी. ठीक है. रमेश प्रसाद यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया केस 2006 रीइंफोर्स दैट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनलिज्म रिजेक्ट एब्सोल्यूट पावर, एडवोकेटिंग फॉर ऑब्जेक्टिव गवर्नेंस अंडर रूल ऑफ लॉ. I.R. Koholo versus State of Tamil Nadu asserted that government power must be controlled to prevent the erosion of democratic value. Puttaswamy judgment, Puttaswamy versus Union of India 2017 recognized the right to privacy as a fundamental right, safeguarding individual liberty. Navtej Singh Johar versus Union of India case 2018 decriminalized same-sex relationship, striking down section 377 IPC for violating rights to privacy, dignity, equality. The basic structure doctrine was established by Supreme Court of India in Keswanand Bharti case of 1973 to ensure the core principle of constitution remain unchanged despite amendment. It serves as judicial safeguard against arbitrary constitutional changes that could undermine democracy, fundamental rights and rule of law. ये सारे जो है इसमें सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनलिज्म को प्रोटेक्ट किया है. ठीक है. इवोल्यूशन ऑफ बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर. अच्छा, सबसे पहले देखो शंकर प्रसाद और सज्जन सिंह केस, इन दोनों में पार्लियामेंट कैन अमेंड एनी पार्ट ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. फिर गोलकनाथ केस 36 did not confirm amendment power to parliament. Fundamental right cannot be amended by the parliament. 1971 में 24वीं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट नॉट लॉ अंडर आर्टिकल 30, सो पार्लियामेंट कैन अमेंड. और 25 में कहा curtail right to property with due compensation. और precedents of DPSC on fundamental right took away judicial review power under for 39B 39C. ठीक है. उसके अलावा एडिड टू लैंड रिफॉर्म रजिस्ट्रेशन टू 9th शेड्यूल. केशवानंद भारती. लाइन ऑफ thought maintained and strengthening in the subsequent judgment like Minerva Mill case और SR बोमई केस, आयर कोहलो केस. ठीक है. Evolution of Dr. Shankari Prasad 1951. The Supreme Court ruled that Parliament has unlimited power to amend the Constitution including fundamental right under Article 368. गोलकनाथ केस 1967 overruled. Shankari Prasad held that fundamental rights are beyond the scope of amendment by Parliament. केशवानंद भारती केस 1973 introduced the basic structure doctrine, ruling while Parliament can amend the constitution, it cannot alter its basic structure. ठीक है. इंदिरा गांधी वर्सेस राजनारायण केस struck down 39 amendment reinforced that democratic principles and free election are part of basic structure. Minerva Mill केस 1980 strengthening the doctrine by ruling that harmony between fundamental rights and directive principle is the part of basic structure. Baman Rao case clarified that amendment made before Keshwanand Bharti 1973 would not be challenged based on doctrine. ठीक है. अब आते हैं कंपोनेंट ऑफ बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर. देखो, सुप्रीमेसी ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, सोवरेन सोशलिस्ट सेकुलरिस्ट डेमोक्रेटिक रिपब्लिक, सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर, रूल ऑफ लॉ, जुडिशियल रिव्यू, फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शन, फेडरलिज्म, इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ जुडिशरी, यूनिटी एंड इंटीग्रिटी ऑफ नेशन. क्रिटिक्स क्या हैं? क्रिटिकल एनालिसिस, सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ डॉक्ट्रिन. सबसे पहला है प्रिजर्व कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल आइडेंटिटी, इंश्योर दैट फंडामेंटल फिलोसफी ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रिमेन इंटैक्ट. प्रिजर्व कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल आइडेंटिटी, इंश्योर दैट फंडामेंटल फिलोसफी ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रिमेन्स इंटैक्ट. प्रिवेंट्स अथॉरिटेरियनिज्म, प्रोटेक्ट democracy by restricting arbitrary amendments that could centralize power. Protect democracy by prevent authoritarianism, balance power between judiciary and legislative, act as a checks on parliamentary amending power, preventing constitutional misuse. Safeguard fundamental rights, ensure that basic structure of citizen are not diluted by legislative action. Criticism of doctrine, lack of constitutional mention. The term basic structure is not explicitly mentioned in constitution, making it judicially created doctrine. Judicial overreach, some argue that doctrine gives the judiciary excessive power, undermining the doctrine of separation of power. Vague and subjective, there is no fixed list of what constitutes the basic structure, leading to judicial discretion in its interpretation. Conflict with parliamentary supremacy, critics argue that elected representatives, not the judiciary, should have the final say in constitutional amendment. Conclusion, the basic structure is a crucial judicial innovation that upheld constitutional supremacy and prevent authoritarianism. However, its subjectivity and judicial dominance have raised concern about judicial overreach. Despite these criticism, it remains a cornerstone of Indian constitutional law, ensuring that democracy, rule of law, and fundamental rights remain protected. While constitution is supreme, its spirit must be preserved. This is the essence of doctrine of basic structure.